I'm James Iverson from Wrights Plastics Limited. As you can see from behind us, we've been heavily involved in a project with a candy brand which took us from this small product to being able to design and build something which dispensed this product very well for the consumer. You can see that we're now collating the units and getting it ready for worldwide distribution. When this landed on our desks, we were literally given this and this alone. What we had to do from this was then come up with some ideas, some real bespoke ideas, to be able to make sure the client was happy that this product was portrayed correctly in store for their consumers. One of the most exciting things about this project was the ability to showcase the many different manufacturing processes that we hold here at Wrights Plastics. We went from obviously design, product design, CAD manipulation and design sign-off all the way through to processes such as line bending, digital printing, vacuum forming, drape moulding, and then collation, as you can see from behind us. This project really demonstrates the point of Wrights and actually the design team that we hold here. So people just think that we're a manufacturer, but we're actually not. We're a design team as well. So anybody out there who feels that they've got something that they want to portray through a design and then manufacture it should really take us into consideration. The design team itself are there and ready to take on any project that's available to us and really bring it to life, as you can see from taking this small piece of candy into being dispensed into a product for an FSDU like the one you can see behind us. Here at Wrights, we're very proud to have the ability to literally take any brief and bring it to life. FSDUs we specialise in, the more bespoke the better for us really. We're very blessed to have a design team which helps us carry it through from the simple visual that you might see on a computer screen all the way through to a unit that will stand in a department store.